Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad fuel tank pressure sensor and it's time to replace it? The fuel tank pressure sensor is usually mounted directly on top of the fuel tank and is usually mounted right next to the fuel pump. If you're trying to change the fuel tank pressure sensor and you're not sure how it looks like, well, this is it. Again, the fuel tank pressure sensor is mounted directly on top of the fuel tank and is right next to the fuel pump. So the fuel tank pressure sensor is a 3-wire sensor. It contains the 5-volt reference, signal wire, and ground wire. And the purpose of the fuel tank pressure sensor is to read pressure inside the fuel tank. Exactly what does a fuel tank pressure sensor do? And the fuel tank pressure sensor serves two purposes. Number one is to identify if there's a leak in the fuel system. And number two, it makes sure that the evap system is working properly. It is important for the evap system to work properly because if fuel vapor escapes from the evap system, this is bad for the environment. So the fuel tank pressure sensor does this by measuring the positive and the negative pressure inside the fuel tank. When pressure changes inside the fuel tank pressure sensor knows if there's an issue with the fuel system or there's an issue with the evap system. If the evap system is not working properly, you're going to get codes for P0446, P0451, P0452, P0453, P0454, P0455, P0456, and so on. What happened when the fuel tank pressure sensor fell? You're going to notice a few symptoms. Number one is you're going to get poor gas mileage. Number two is your engine's going to run rough. Number three, you may experience stalling. Number four, you may experience poor engine performance. Number five, you're going to experience hard start. Number six, you're going to experience poor acceleration. And number seven, you may see black smoke coming out of the tailpipe. Before replacing the fuel tank pressure sensor, there are a few things you should check. Number one is make sure the gas cap is not loose and make sure the gas cap seal is not cracked. Because if the gas cap seal is cracked, it's going to trigger similar codes that a bad fuel tank pressure sensor would also trigger. Next, if you had your fuel pump replaced and after you change your fuel pump and you're getting codes for fuel tank pressure sensor, make sure the wire or the connection did not get pulled when changing the fuel pump, because for some fuel pump, you have to drop the fuel tank. And sometimes the technician or mechanic or even yourself, you probably did not disconnect the fuel tank pressure sensor. And when you drop the tank, it probably pulled the wire. So make sure the pin did not come loose on the connection. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.